his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't.
Hey guys, welcome back to Cora's Cozy Castle, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be deep cleaning my main living space by washing all of the cushion covers and vacuuming in the sofa and the chairs, and also conditioning the leather. These are things that are not done regularly. These are very deep cleaning things that only get done probably every few months. I will also be zone cleaning my son ASHER'S room, and I will say just right off the beginning of this video, every time I film in his room, I just do not like the lighting because his room is painted such a dark navy blue color, but I just want to go in there and still give you guys that motivation. So I hope that it does motivate you. I hope you guys are well. I will definitely be doing more of my decluttering on my journey to minimalism. This is also just to kind of show you guys like a minimalist cleaning routine as well. And I hope that it motivates you to declutter, clean, minimalize, and just kind of try to get your house in order, because I'll be honest, I started watching YouTube about 3 years ago, and I will say it took me a good year of just learning and watching different videos and just how people did their homes and cleaned them. And I think I finally feel like I am on top of my house the best I can be, I guess, with 3 kids, but I'm happy with where I'm at, and I hope that I can help somebody out there as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will try and not talk as much, but I do like to talk, so enjoy.
I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I heard her saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
I had a feeling you'd come back.
This leather cleaner and conditioner actually worked really, really well. The after result was really pretty in person. It didn't show up on camera, but I really think that it looked really pretty afterwards. I did not purchase this leather conditioner. It actually came with the 2 chairs that I purchased from Haverty's. It was like part of the package for purchasing those chairs. This couch actually came from the Restoration Hardware outlet. So I had not ever conditioned this couch before, but since getting Bentley and he jumps up on it, you're going to see him. He just loves jumping up on this couch. And there's just little like scratch marks, and the conditioner really made a difference with that. So I'm happy. I'll try to link it down below. If I can't find the exact product, I will see if I can find anything that would be kind of comparable. The only other idea that I kind of had with this, once I run out of this, if I can't purchase it again, is to actually buy car leather conditioner, because whatever I put on the seats in my car, it really makes them shine and like holds the leather together. So I think that would work great as far as like your couch, you know, or any kind of leather furniture that you had at home as well. So anyway, I just was really happy with it.
Why don't we go back to never wanted to end things like we did? I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, honestly I'm open wide. You're better.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you off.
So you guys are about to see my sweet little Bentley. He's going to go running and jumping because my son was walking up at the top of the yard. There he goes. But he just loves, I think it's because this couch doesn't have a back to it. So he can kind of like get up there and stand up. I don't know. He's absolutely hilarious. But I just had to share that with you guys. Now I'm just getting all the clean cushions on. It felt so good. And what I have decided to do as part of my minimalist journey, I wanted to add this in there, is that I had a middle pillow that you guys saw me took off in the beginning. I am not putting that back on this couch. The way that Bentley jumps up there like that, he would always just get like some dirt on it. It was a white pillow and it would get dirty or it would just fall off or flatten down. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to eliminate that because I'm on a minimalist journey, and the less that I have, the less I have to maintain and worry about. And it honestly, after today, has felt just so good having just the 2 yellow cushions on there. So I'm very happy to say that I did actually do a little decluttering in this video.
Have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you. I keep on looking for you.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do.
Here, I'm in ASHER'S room. I started dusting. You can see that really dark wall behind me. It does not help my lighting for filming, but I have tried to simplify ASHER'S shelves as much as possible. I do not like having to pick up a ton of items to dust because if I do, I usually just don't dust. And you'll see that with the books. Like, I don't move the books every single time to dust. I do that like every few times. I will take everything off of the shelf. Things that are easy to move, I will, but that's just part of my journey with minimalism. Is I've figured out that that's what makes me not want to clean. And I think that I think that's part of like the journey, I guess, as far as like the channel goes and how my home has just evolved over the years and changed and things that I like versus what I used to like. And I think that, you know, everybody can kind of figure that out, you know, for themselves. Like if you watch different videos and, you know, oh, I like what, you know, this person does versus what that person does. And I think it kind of, for me, especially, like I said in the beginning, it's just kind of like come around to, I've really come into like what I like and what works for me and how my house runs smoothly. And I definitely think that, you know, the same can happen for you. And also for me, I use cleaning as a way to deal with my health anxiety. That was the biggest reason that I started this channel, was to help get my mind off of worrying about symptoms and just scenarios of things that could go wrong and all these negative like things, because my mom's always said, what you think about, you bring about. So of course that makes me, you know, worried too, because I think negatively a lot. So I try to channel that energy into something that is positive. And I feel like as a homemaker that I can, you know, just give to my family by taking care of them, making sure their house is clean and meals are ready and all that kind of stuff. And so that's just kind of how I've dealt with it. And that's just a little bit about me. I will be doing a video where I kind of open up a little bit more about that and kind of tell you guys why I started YouTube, why I keep doing YouTube, and just why minimalism and cleaning have just been so beneficial to me. So I'll be quiet and let you guys get back to the video.
I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. 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 Drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete.
In today's video, I did ASHER'S baseboards. Now, I don't do this every time. Again, it's kind of like when I was describing the books. I don't move those every single time. The same thing goes for his windows and like blinds and things like that. I don't do that every single time. I really just kind of look at things and just go. I don't have it written down that it has to be every 3 times, but I just kind of look at it. If it needs to be done, I do it. If it doesn't, then I don't. So I don't have things like really written down and manuals and things like that. I know that that is how the Fly Lady system works, and I definitely am very interested in more detail about trying to figure out how that works. But for me, it's kind of just in my head, and I just kind of go with what needs to be done. So I hope that you guys find a way that works for you and your home and your family, whatever your circumstances are. But I also just hope that if anybody out there has felt lonely like I have, that I made you feel less lonely for the day and like you were hanging out with a friend. I started this channel for that reason. I have health anxiety really bad, so sometimes I have to just push through whatever thoughts and feelings that I have. So I did that in today's video, and I definitely know that it can be a struggle. So if you're new around here, I would love for you to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, join me here on my minimalist journey. I put out cleaning videos, and I also do decluttering videos and motivational type style, like talking videos, just all kinds of things. So I would love for you to join me and leave me a comment down below so I can get to know you, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one. I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Much love always. Bye.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?